since Grow Garden is very good, or like has 20 million, I'm in I'm in my friend's account, and I'm lagging. And that's my main account, and my classmate, I mean no, my cousin said that I need to get all of the freaking mutations, and I need to get, and he needs something else like that. Here, something, it blew my mind. I was just typing to 17 mil. Damn, bro. So I think I'll just go AFK on at my cousin's account. The this community for real. And then while at my main account, I could do something, a lot of things, bro. I don't wanted to risk my main account also not getting the mutations, because I also have so many things to do. I mean, like, I want to get the sugar apple. I want to get these new mutations. Oh no, we got sugar apples. Oh my gosh, we got a sugar apple. Oh my gosh, it's the first time getting a sugar apple. Oh my gosh. For real, first time getting sugar apple. Again, blood. Okay, I'm gonna plant my sugar apple at here. Actually, I'm just doing my main account. I'm doing. Oh wait, my dad is here. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, Kuya told me that I got better. Kuya told me I got better. Really? Oh, what the? What is this? Oh! Oh, damn! Okay. Okay. Damn. Okay. Okay, bet. Bro, I didn't even know. We're partnering, chat. We're partnering. What the hell? Wow. Oh my gosh, nice party. It feels like I'm all alone though. Feels like I have no other people on me. It just feels like I'm alone. I'm so alone. Like for real dog. I'm alone. I feel like I'm alone, chat. But I can have all of these into my bank account. Ano, JK? I can at least have all of this and all of my happiness in this game. I'm so happy that I can stay up all night, and especially it's Saturday. Oh no, bro, the big candy blossom that LeBron, I mean Cyborg Dancerman has, got discoded. Chat, we're so cooked. He's gonna be a billionaire. And mine, bro, is trash. But just getting the sugar apple is so rare. Wow, we just love dancing at this point. I mean, it's this good. Wow. Just feels so good. It feels so good, bro. It just feels so good. Oh my god. Oh, bro, I just love these updates. DJ Jan. I don't know how to say that guy, but I'm so sorry. I think that guy's popular. Look, bro. Oh, it's just so good to just enjoy this game. 50, 49 seconds. Bro, DJ, you need to get out now. Bro, right after I said DJ, get out now, he actually got out. I think, bro, I offended him. I think I offended Lil Bro. I'm super sorry to offend you, DJ. 18 minutes later, I'm going to go up my wife. She's gonna be so mad. Oh my gosh. You dumb. Be right back. I'm gonna wake her up. Dang, bro, you dumb. Bro, imagine waking up your oh, you got damn. Pura yeah, just boom. I'm not gonna touch anything, and I'm gonna stay Cyber the Handsome Ones, or I mean, what, I can't even say anything, bro. Cyborg's plans, I'm just gonna keep them. I don't wanna disturb bro, so yeah. Altering cats. Because I don't know where to place it. I don't know where to place it. 61. Put the puraya at the boom. Leta. Tulka pugare up the boom. I need to watering can this one. He's not even gonna know it anyways. And besides, bro, he has so much watering cans. If he doesn't, I'm so excited to tell her that, oh yeah, Lil Bro's excited to wake her up. Oh my gosh, Master Sprinkler on stock. Oh my god. I just accidentally said Splinker. I think I'm cooked. Sprinkler. I'm gonna have so much Master Sprinklers at this point. Currently, I do have 3, so that's good. That's good. That's gonna have 3 Master Sprinklers. 1 of 3 Master Sprinklers. Okay guys, I'm back. Oh nga. 17 minutes left. Oh come on, it's 9:42 now. It's literally 7 minutes. I think it's gonna be at 11. Oh! Nah! Bro, it's not Gojo. Bro, it's not Gojo.
Pepera, tinubos mo yung adobo ko?
No, I did not.
Masarap ng adobo ko, hindi?
Sarap.
Uy, hindi sa iyan. Nasa yung lubig mo? Wala na?
Hindi.
Ang papa yan eh. Dito ah.
Mawawalan ng ulam si Papa, sabi mo.
Bro, can I wait until the update comes down?
Time.
It's like 16 minutes left.
10 minutes.
Left.
Okay.
Pwede po ako.
Nah?
Parang naubos yan.
Okay. I'm just gonna go AFK. Hopefully, wait, what did he got? Oh, carrot.
Kumain na dapat ako kanina.
It's getting so close. Pause, bro. No, actually, no pause. I'm just disgusting. I'm gonna put a lot of mashed sprinklers. Oh, yo! Random, but okay. Chat, we got a random freaking disco. I don't want to get 15 minutes left. Oh my gosh. If we hit, bro, if we actually hit 30 mil, this guy is crazy. I mean 20 mil. He has a galactic. How lucky can you be? Wait, he has a galactic disco. Wait, does he have a galactic disco? Bro, if he had a galactic disco, I'm gonna crush it. If he actually had a galactic disco, I'm gonna crush it. Like, I'm gonna crush it if he actually has a galactic disco. 14 minutes! Yeah! 14 minutes! 14 minutes! 14 minutes! 14 minutes! 14 minutes! Minutes! Oh no, disco gun. Puto puraya ratashte boom 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 boom. Oh my gosh. 13 minutes chat.
Kaya naman yung palang gawin ng parang pinapera.
13 minutes. Stocking time. Okay, if he gives out a sugar apple, I would be the mushroom. There! Good boy! Why is it only 3? Mushroom, okay. Wait, why did... Pepper?
Anong masasawag din ni Juan?
Pepper.
Sabi daw niya, ano daw,
Cacao?
ano niya, pag daw,
Okay, he's cooking. Okay.
double yung heart siya.
Bro, if he added another sugar apple, you know, I'm gonna love Jandel. Just like what he did. Pick pura rea to boom boom. 12 minutes! 12 minutes! 12 minutes, tsaka 12 minutes.
Pag daw dating ano, babayaran
Woo!
siya.
12 minutes. 12 minutes.
Ano bang meron?
Wala. 18.5 billion people are playing. What the hell? Oh wait, that's more people than Canada? What? No, that's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, they beated the world record. Oh hell no. Did he spawn a lightning? Oh yeah, he did spawn. He did spawn a lightning. Okay, we don't need that. No, we don't need the money talks. What I do need is the lightning at here because I need lightning in at my main account. Do I have a really cool I could run it? 11 minutes. Oh my gosh. Heart is beating so fast. Oh my gosh. Heart is beating so fast. 11 minutes, chat. Oh my gosh. Ten minutes. 10 minutes, about to be 10 minutes. Oh yeah, it's 10 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna be 10 minutes. 10 minutes! Oh my gosh. 10 minutes. For my spaceship. Oh, galactic bet. Oh my gosh. I wish somebody can hear me. Yo, if you guys hear me, I'm so excited. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Spaceship just gone. Spaceship just spawned. Oh my gosh. Unnecessary, but okay. Hopefully, the galactic. My freaking candy blossoms. That's what all I need. Or if this account gets lucky, I might have a chocolate galactic. He does have a. I wonder if I found out the Easter egg. Oh my gosh! I don't know what am I gonna do. I'm gonna go candy blossom. This one, right? This one. Nope. This one. Nope. This one. Yes. I'm gonna put this into spaceship. This event has a secret that we will not reveal. Oh my god. Candy blossom. I'm gonna hit what goes us. Oh wait, so wait, do I just jump? Oh my gosh, I didn't jump. I didn't jump. Checking. I'll run more time for people to look. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get that. I don't get it. I'm just gonna jump, and if it works, then I think I'm the smartest man. If it works, I'm the smartest man. By the way, I know Canada's free. Oh, okay. I thought he was actually telling the truth. Oh, hell no. Little bro is tricking around. Oh, come on. This next stock. Oh my gosh. If this next stock is OP. Okay, we're done. We're done. If this next stock is OP, I do not know what to say.